So today I'm going to make a gluten-free cake, and what you'll need for this recipe is some eggs, some milk, and then some gluten-free flour, some sugar, and then some baking vanilla. And then a stick of butter, and then some baking powder. So first, I like to mix up the dry ingredients first. So we're going to measure out the sugar and then pour it in. So there's 1 cup of white sugar. Okay, and after you have 1 cup of sugar measured out, you put that into the bowl. And then you combine the gluten-free flour, which is 2 cups. Make sure that's leveled out. Then pour that in. And then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then with this stuff, you want to make sure it's as level as possible before you pour it in. And then mix that together. Okay, and then after the dry ingredients are mixed, it looks like this. And with me, I'm using coconut flour. Okay, now we want to mix in a liquid, so then mix it together with a dry. So we're gonna add the eggs. So you add 3 eggs. And then the trick that I like to use to get these eggs to crack is to crack on the side of the bowl. Oh, whoops. That's 2, and this is the 3rd one. It's there. And then after that, we add the baking vanilla. Then it's 2 teaspoons. Okay, pour that in. And then we want to add 1 stick of butter. And the recipe says to add it when it's soft, but I'm gonna melt it in the microwave for a little while. Seconds. No, wait, 5 seconds. Oh no, yeah. just gotta wait for that to melt. And then with the oven, you want to preheat it to 350 degrees. Okay, it's full. Okay, and break this out. And then you add the butter. And then you mix it together. Hee. It's a gluten-free cake.
Ew!
Yeah, whatever. And when it comes to mixing up the ingredients, you want it to be mixed up as good as possible. Oh wait, I need to add the milk, yeah. Then with the milk, you add 2/3 of a cup of milk. Okay, then pour that in. A little bit better. Okay, and after it's all mixed up, it looks something like this. And if it doesn't look really smooth, then that is okay, because it's a different recipe. And just going scraped off. And then after it's all mixed up, we needed to spray a pan and then put the dough into the pan. Okay, then with me, I'm using this size of a pan, which it's an 8 by 11 and a half. No, well, yeah, it's 8 by 11.5 by 2 inches. And then you take this cooking spray and then you spray it in there. Okay, then now we need to add the batter. Okay, then dump this in. Could have used a larger pan if I wanted to, but not this time. But this pan would work. Okay, then make sure it's as flat as possible. Okay. Okay, then after it's in the pan and after the oven is heated to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to put it into the oven for 40 minutes.